Want to create a sales performance dashboard that instantly shows how each store is doing? With icons like? Let me show you how to do it using conditional formatting with icon sets in Excel, and make it dynamic with customizable thresholds. I've got a table here with store names and their sales numbers. Now, I want to show performance using icons based on rules, but instead of hard coding these, I've set up the thresholds in separate cells so I can easily update them later. I have labeled the thresholds best, good, and bad. First, let's clear this conditional formatting, and let's see how we can do it from scratch. Select the Performance column. Then, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Icon Sets, for traffic symbols. Next, go to Manage Rules and edit the formatting. Choose Format all cells based on their values. Change the type from % to number. Enter your thresholds by linking to the helper cells. For the green, I will set the first link. Let's set this one blank. And for the middle, let's set it a yellow icon. And below that value, let's set it a red icon. Let's see the result now. Here you have it. Excel now shows a red icon for low performers, yellow for average, and green for top sellers. And, best of all, if I change the thresholds, the icons update automatically. Even we can sort this column by this icon color. To do that, select the cell, then go to Sorting and sort by color. Super useful for dashboards, sales reviews. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more quick Excel wins. Thanks for watching. That's part 25 of our 500+ Excel tips playlist.